Do you have a noisy door? Let me show you how to fix that. On every door you have some hinges. Some have 2, some have 3, and this is what's making all the noise. You're going to need some napkins or paper towels and some 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. This helps to lubricate, it penetrates rust, and it cleans those hinges. And if you don't have any, I'll put a link to this in the description. Now on the spout, you just want to cut just enough to create a little tiny hole. Then to take the tip of your bottle and you want to put it right against the top of your hinge and just gently squeeze out a small amount. This stuff goes a long way, so you don't need much. And then you can continue to process at each gap. Just be careful, do not squeeze too much or it'll quickly run down and get on your floor. It's also a good idea to keep your paper towels or napkins right under the hinge as you're doing this to prevent any from getting on your floor. Once you have oil in each of these little cracks, take your paper towel or napkins and you want to wipe off any of that excess. Then make sure to repeat this process on all of your hinges. After oiling all your hinges, you will need to then open and close your door several times to work that oil through the entire joint. If you're still getting a lot of squeaking from your hinges, repeat that process. It will cure it, but sometimes it'll take 2 or 3 applications. And once the oil reaches the right spot in those hinges, your door should not make any more squeaking noise. Once again, I use 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. I'll put a link to this in the description.